Hi, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, I will discuss about lookup table in Splunk. By using lookup table, you can add external data in Splunk. So here you can see lookup table file and events. Lookup table file is a CSV file and there are two columns, status and description in lookup table. You can match this status column with status field in events and it will add description field value in your events. And if it match any status value with status field in Splunk, it will return corresponding column value and add this column value in a new field in that event. So here you can see 200 status field is matching with 200 in lookup table, and it will add another field description with OK value in this event. So by using lookup table, you can match any column from lookup table with any field in events, and you can add new field from another column in lookup table into this event. You can also use time-based lookup where you can create one column with time and you can match that time with event time. This is search and reporting app. I will add this lookup table file in Splunk. Go to settings, go to lookups, go to lookup table files, go to new, click choose file, select this file, open and give name here for this lookup table. So if you are adding CSV file, then it should end with .csv. If you are adding zip CSV file, then it should end with gz and save. Now you can see here stdb-status.csv, change permission and share this only in this app and save. Now go to lookups and give lookup definition and click new. Right here http lookup, should be file based, select lookup table here and save. Change permission of this lookup definition, share this app only and save. Go back and now create automatic lookups. Click new, right here name and select lookup definition here and give the source types. Give the source type here access underscore combined underscore w cookie. You can give source or host name also. So this lookup table will be applied to the all events with this source type, and give lookup input fields. So lookup input fields. So go here and search and reporting app and write search index equal to star all time. So the field name is here status. So this field name is status here, and in lookup table field name is status. So both names are status. So here give events field name, that is status, and lookup table name is status. So if this name is different, then you have to write different field name here. And lookup output fields in lookup table is a description. So right here description, and here you can write description in capital D. So this field will be added in your events and save. And change permission and share this app only, save. Now run this search again. So now you can see here description field, and these values are coming from this lookup table. So this is the lookup definition we have created, and I will show you how you can use a lookup command and you can do the same thing as we did with automatic lookup. So go to search and reporting app and write search here, index equal to star pipe lookup definition, status, this is the field value in event status, this is the column name in lookup table, output new, description is the field name or column name in lookup table, as new description is the new field in event. So search here with all time and you can see here new field, new description. So you can see here this is similar to your automatic lookup. So in this lecture I showed you how you can add lookup table file in Splunk and how you can add fields from lookup table in Splunk events. Thank you for watching this video.